Good morning. Good morning. Where are we going today? You wanna see the lion? Paano yung lion? Roar! Okay, we're on our way to West Midland Safari. And we're gonna go see some animals. You wanna see a rhino? Can you say rhino? Nano. Okay. Kyle.
Kyle, can say daddy?
Daddy.
Let's go!
Go!
Let's go!
We're going inside the drive-thru safari. We got our animal food. We can only feed the deer and the antelopes. Ewan ko, parang may nakikita kasi ako may mga nag-feed naman ng giraffe. Pero, let's follow the rules. And we got the guidebook as well. Si Kyle, ay nako, nakikilaban yata sa deer. Gusto rin ng kumain. Yan, that's us.
Nako yun. Bata.
Dance muna. Dance muna. Ay, sus. Okay.
Hi.
Bakit
be a
tayo,
vlogger?
So, hindi tayo gumagalaw kasi nakapila tayo sa left lane. So, dito, ang rule dito, you can stop and slow down sa left lane. But, keep the traffic moving sa right lane. So, lahat ng sasakyan nasa left lane mostly, no? Oh, don't touch anything. Ay. So, nakapila tayo dito sa left, waiting for the traffic to move. We're not in a hurry anyway.
And we're not sure what's in there.
Yeah. Actually, dito pwede kang mag-hotel. May mga safari lodges sila. Kaso, mahal. Mahal! Parang, hindi ako willing gumastos ng ganun for one night. Doon na lang kayo sa vegan pumunta. Nagpakain ka ng giraffe sa vegan, di ba? Yeah? Yeah? Say yes?
Maganda hapon pumunta, walang kaagaw sa
Oh, you say bye na. You say bye.
Bye.
We're gonna look for animals. What's that?
Baba.
Zebra. Can you say zebra? Where's the zebra? Can you point? Wow.
Pa.
Say hi to the zebra.
Hi.
Where? Wow. Can you say hi to the rhino?
Hi.
There's a baby rhino. Wow. Oh, say bye. Look at Kylo. Say bye.
Say bye.
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 Okay?
Hey.
mga lodges. So, that's probably the Giraffe Lodge. Papunta na tayo sa mga carnivore areas. We have wild dogs, lions, cheetahs, sabi. Let's go. May isa pang gate doon. So, nakapasok na tayo sa unang gate. Yan yung second gate. Ayan, nabumukas na.
Safe experience ah.
Papunta na tayo sa carnivore area. That's why maraming electric gates. Siyempre dapat yung music natin, ano din, sakto sa ginagawa natin activity. Sa third gate na yan, nakasara pa. Zoom na. Kita pa. So that's the third gate na papasukan natin. Daming gates. Oh my, we didn't see that one over there. Oh my gosh.
Camouflage, oh, perfect, oh.
Oo nga eh. Hindi natin napansin eh. Sneaky. Wow.
What's that? Look,
Busy kumain eh.
it's a Thai.
Oh, isa ka rin. Lion kasi, di ba?
Lion.
Lion. Isa ka rin eh.
Tinetest lang kita, kung alam mo.
Daybug. Damn. That is so cool. That is so cool.
I see what's happening here. Face to face with greatness.
Amazing. Love it, love it.
It's nice to see that humans never change.
Grabe, mating season. May pa-audience. Ayun o. Wala, inggit si ating. Ang laka. Oh.
Normal lang sa kanya.
Kyle, don't look.
Mama. Mama.
Not a phenomenon. The time to grasp the crowd. Oh, that was now we just messing around.
Where's the elephant? Can you point? Where? Asa yung elephant? Oh, say bye-bye to elephant lang. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, Kyle! Wow! What's that, Kyle? It's a bird! Alam ka. Okay, say hi. We're here to watch the sea lion. Cat? Paano yung layon? Si layon to, hindi layon. Ha. Visualize. Visualize.
Pagi-pagi.
Eh? Paano? Say bye na.
Bye.
Kiss. Kiss, Daddy. Si Daddy. Si Daddy. Kyle, what's that? Water? Melon. Say watermelon. You like that? Yeah? What's that? Paano yung penguin? Penguin? Paano yung penguin? Oh, penguin, penguin. Wow. Oh, look at the penguin. Where is it? Invested na siya sa watermelon. Oh, Kyle, yun na oh. So that's it for our weekend with the animals. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Kyle. Bye. Say bye. Okay, flying kiss. Flying kiss. Mwah. Dance, dance. Wow. Okay, bye. Update sa watermelon plushie ni Kyle. Ayan, tinititigan pa rin. Simula nang nahawakan niya hanggang ngayon, tinititigan. What's that, Kyle? Kyle, what's that? Watermelon. Ano na? You like it? Yeah?